Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall the bloatware on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So at first you need to have your phone, of course, unlocked. Once you have done that, you need to go to the phone's settings. By the way, I need to just lower the brightness level and adjust it to your preferences. Here, now go to the settings and now scroll down to the apps over here. Once you're here, tap See All Apps. Now you need to search for the applications such as Asphalt Nitro 2. This is of course the bloatware app game. Here tap Uninstall and OK. Now here search for the other one, Booking.com. Uninstall and install. Of course all these applications that are bloatware may vary on every single phone. Even though this is the same company, so make sure that you don't uninstall the system applications, for example Android Auto, Android Switch, etc. When you open some application, you'll see, for example, Cleanup. This is a system built-in app, but you can uninstall it. Don't do so, please. And now you can go further. If you don't want, for example, here the application called DTS Sound, please don't uninstall it, because here this is the system application. But Facebook, here we can uninstall Facebook. Here, if you go even further, you can see Modern Combat Rebel Guns. It's a game. Tap it and install OK. And that's it. That's how it works. Goodbye.